Welcome. One of my friends messaged me today saying that they need to make some extra money and asking for some tips. So I thought I'd just jump on and share with you what I told them. So here's 3 super easy ways that you can make an extra 1,000 bucks or more in the next 7 days if you are willing to just get a bit out of your comfort zone. And so the first thing that you can do is find someone to be an affiliate for. Find someone who has some products or services that you love, that you believe in, and just promote it and ask for a commission. So I've been doing this with my mentors for years. It's amazing. You sell their £3,000 program, you can get 500 commission from one sale. All you're doing is being a networker. You're thinking, who do I know who could benefit from what they're doing? So for example, since I started my business, I offer 22% commissions on anything of mine that you recommend and sell. So if you know anyone who would love to come and learn Curate, do my mentorship, have one-on-one sessions with me, you can easily make 1,000 just from one commission. So have a think about that. I have a link, I'll pop it below. It's q-rit.leaddyno.com. I'll just pop that below. But think about, who do you know? Whose products or services have you used that you could recommend? Maybe you went on a great business training, you know someone who needs business training. So that's one of the ways. Start thinking about, can you promote? It's really easy. Imagine you've just been to a great movie, a movie that you love, and you go and you say to your mate, hey, I just went to this movie, it's amazing, you should go. It's just the same. You go, hey, there's this guy Luke, he does this quantum regression therapy training, I think you'll love it. I know you've done hypnotherapy and Reiki, and like, this is the next level, like, check it out. Just connect us in a message. You don't have to do any of the selling. Just link us in a DM or message me and I can contact them. Super easy. You're just basically introducing people, being a connector. That's a nice word, isn't it? Second way, have a think about some knowledge, wisdom, skills that you have that other people need. So you might be an amazing guitar player, you might be an amazing cook, you might be great at relationships, you might be great at business, you might just have some time, maybe you're a VA, and put together a package or a program. Let's say you do 4 calls or 6 calls, that's it. Don't overcomplicate it. 1 call a week for 4 weeks or for 6 weeks. Charge 500 for that or 1,000 for that. Let's say you charge 500 for 4 calls. You help them with a specific problem. They're going to get loads of wisdom and knowledge because you know how to solve their problem, right? As long as you feel confident, if you can help someone learn guitar in 4 weeks, like, amazing. However many calls you need to have in those 4 weeks, maybe it's 12, maybe you'll charge 500 for that. Amazing, right? Just sell 2 of those. People really overcomplicate creating their own products and services, but you don't have to. Maybe you just reach out on your social media and say, hey everyone, what are your big problems right now? How can I help you? But maybe you already know something you're really good at. So I'm amazing at teaching people how to be quantum healers. I'm amazing at helping people with public speaking. I'm amazing at helping people reprogram their minds and overcome fears and live their best lives. So I help people with all of that stuff. I help people with a lot of mental health things. Like, what are you really good at? Now, be brave enough. You need to put it out there in some kind of post, right? A blog, a written post, or make a video like this. Maybe you share from your heart. Maybe you're nervous. I used to be so nervous, right? So written can be easier to start with. Put it out there. Maybe just have a think about, who do you know who could use your services. Just think about your friends, think about your network. Maybe you go to a networking event. Maybe find a networking event near me. Just go and offer your wisdom. That's the second way. Third way, and this is super cool. Loads of people are doing this, by the way. I don't personally do this. I did dabble with it, but you can go for this. You can look at what products and services you have in your house, your washing machine, your sofa, and you can go on something like Amazon. There's other affiliate services. You can register as an affiliate for products, and then, like, people just make a video, they say, hey, I just got this new office chair, check it out, it goes so well with everything. Oh, if you'd like it, I'll pop the link below. That's it. Oh, check out this new washing machine, it's like the best one ever. You know, if you're interested. On those kind of higher end appliances, you can make great commissions. But I just saw someone, they were so sneaky. They reshared a video of someone else doing this They were like just, in the background going, wow, 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 not even doing anything. They took all the links to every product they were selling, put them underneath. So you don't even have to make the video if you're smart, and you just become an affiliate for all these products. And every time someone buys the product, you get a commission. So there's loads of different ways you can play this game, create an extra side income for yourself. If you would like to help us promote Curate, we have an event coming up in a couple of weeks, live training, certification, teaching people how to become healers, how to become quantum regression therapists, how to help people heal physically, emotionally, how to upgrade everybody's lives. If you know anyone who'd be into that, if they've already done Reiki, theta healing, if they're a hypnotherapist, if they're a shaman, if they've done yoga training or breath work, they'll love Curate. Just link us together, register on the link, get 22% commission. It's as easy as I can make it. Let me know which one feels most exciting. You're amazing. If I can help you in any way, reach out. If I can support you with your life, your business, reach out. We can do one-on-one sessions, we can do mentorships, totally up to you. I'm here for you. You're awesome. And let's transform the world together by firstly transforming ourselves.